Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to activate Mint Mobile eSIM on your phone. First of all, you need to open your phone settings. Then in the search, you need to write eSIM and you need to choose Add eSIM. Then you need to wait a few seconds until this pop-up shows on your screen. And here will be two options: transfer from nearby iPhone or use the QR code. In this case, we need to click use QR code and this opens the camera. You need to scan the QR code from your Mint Mobile eSIM, or you can do it manually. Click enter details manually in the bottom and enter SMTP plus address, activation code and the confirmation code. Then click the next button in the top right and you will activate your Mint Mobile eSIM on your phone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.